हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू ट्रू लीगल एडवाइस। सो हम स्टार्ट करेंगे नंबर 11 से। Which of the following article of the Indian Constitution prohibited discrimination in employment in any government office? Please check Article 16 of the Indian Constitution. There shall be equality of opportunity for all citizens in matter relating to employment or appointment to any office under the state. Answer is D. In the context of the Indian Constitution, which of the following article guarantees the right to freedom of religion to its citizen? Please check Article 25 of the Indian Constitution guaranteeing this right to freedom of religion to its citizen. So answer is B. Number 13. Equality before the law or equal protection of the law within the territory of India is guaranteed under which one of the following article of the Constitution of India? The Constitution of India codify the fundamental right, the basic human right of the citizen, which are defined in Part 3 of the Indian Constitution, one such as the right to equality, which is protected under Article 14 to 18. So answer is A, Article 14. Article 14 is the most significant of the lot. The state shall not deny to any person equality before the law or the equal protection of the law within the territory of India. This means equality before law, equal protection of the law. Number 14. दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन आप एग्जाम में ना करें तो भी चलेगा, क्योंकि पूरा प्रॉपरली आपको आना चाहिए। बट अगर कंटिन्यू में आर्टिकल से जैसे 18, 19, 20 पास में है तो आप वो एक बार को कर सकते हैं, वरना इसमें आपका इतना टाइम चला जाएगा कि आप अदर क्वेश्चंस आपके रह जाएंगे। तो मच बेटर कि आप इसको स्किप कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हम तो सॉल्व करेंगे। A. Abolition of title. So Article 18. Freedom to manage religious affair. Article 26. Answer 4. Protection of language of minorities. Article 29. D. Right to education. Article 21. So answer is the whole is given in the option D. So check करें आप, A का 3 है, B का 4 है, C का 1 है, D का 2 है। तो ये किस में दिया है? ऑप्शन D में दिया हुआ है, तो हम मार्क करेंगे ऑप्शन D को। ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के भी हमको एक ही मार्क मिलेंगे, कोई 4 मार्क नहीं मिलेंगे। सो टाइम सेव करें, जो आ रहा है वो करें, जो नहीं आ रहा है वो लास्ट में करें। सो इससे क्या होगा कि आपके 40 मार्क्स पहले कंफर्म हो जाएंगे, जो करेक्ट है वो। सब्सक्राइब करेगा प्लीज़ अगर आप समझ पा रहे हो और आपको अच्छा लग रहा है तो। नंबर 15. द 74th अमेंडमेंट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज रिलेटेड टू अर्बन एंड लोकल इंस्टीट्यूट्स। वाई? The 74th Constitutional Amendment Act mandate the setting up and devolution of power to urban local bodies or city governments as the lowest unit of governments in city and town. Answer is C. Number 16. The part of the Constitution that reflect the mind and idea of the farmer is preamble. The ideal embodies in the objective resolution are faithfully reflected in the preamble to the Constitution. The preamble to the Indian Constitution is based on the objective resolution drafted and moved by Pandit Nehru and adopted by the Constituent Assembly. So answer is C. फ्रेंड्स, आप मेरा वीडियो पॉज करके ये जो हमारे टॉपिक्स आ रहे हैं उसके आप बुक्स भी लेके बैठ सकते हो बेयर एक्ट्स के। Number 17. Article dash of the Constitution of India deal with the protection of life and personal liberty. According to Article 21 of the Constitution, no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to the procedure established by law. The right is available for citizen as well as aliens. This article includes the right to live with human dignity. Go ahead with number 18. Which of the following statement about the Constitution of India is correct? The objectives resolution was moved by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Or number 2, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar served as the chairman of the drafting committee in this capacity as the law minister. Select the correct answer using the code given below. On 29 August 1947, the drafting committee was set up by the Constitution Assembly under the chairmanship of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Answer is B. And it came into force on 26 January 1950. Number 19. In which article of the Constitution the adult suffrage is recognized? Article 326 of the Indian Constitution provide that the election to the House of the People and to the Legislative Assembly of every state shall be on the basis of adult surface. So here we are on the last 20 number. Which of the following Amendment Act of the Constitution deleted the right to property from the list of fundamental right? 44th Constitutional Amendment Act 1978 deleted the right to property from the list of the fundamental right. Right to property is no more a fundamental right, only a legal right. The right to property was listed under Article 31 before its deletion. At present, right to property is listed under Article 300A as a legal right. Please subscribe, support us, and we will do this और हम AIB 19 pass होंगे. Let's do it. Only on True Legal Advice with Advocate Shireen Hussain.